My dear viewers, in today's show I'm going to give you my special recipe that is going to help you a lot if you have constipation or similar kind of condition in your belly or especially in the lower intestines. Using this specialty is going to help you a lot, and usually in period of 24 hours you will get better and you will leave your special problems with constipation and intestinal tract. This remedy make easy other gastrointestinal symptoms too, like gas, cramps or bloating. For 1 cup, 2 tablespoons grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1¼ cups of water. In a small saucepan, combine ginger, fennel, honey and water and bring them to the boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer the herbs for the 15 minutes. Strain in the mug, using back of the spoon to press the liquid from the herbs before composting them. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily while you constipated. Remember this, my dear viewers, ginger and the fennel are one of the most important and best natural remedies for your stomach problems, stomach pain, constipation, gas and much more. This perfect tea, you drink it 2 to 3 cups daily, and usually in 24 hours your problem is be resolved. If they're not, you can use this drink another day or maybe 2 or 3 or 5 days in a row, and you will get better in natural way. Before we continue with the show, my dear viewers, I want to recommend you my new book that is called Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1. It's officially on sale in Croatian and English. You can buy the book now through a MarioLab.hr website. In the book you will learn more about the rich history of the use of plant in healing. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicine, with advice on dosage, possible side effects and drug interaction. Miracle, a Natural Remedies Part 1 is an ideal guide to using natural medicine in the fight against the worst diseases of modern world in very natural way. If you want to know much more about my special drink that can help your constipation in just 15 minutes, click here on this little window.